Hi, this is Jerome Joseph. Recently, I met a client and I asked him to share with me his product brand. He started to get into a long explanation on the features of his product. I told him, stop. Stop trying to sell me. Try to solve my pain. Try to provide me with a solution to my pain. Case to point. I recently bought a pair of jogging shoes. The sales guy asked me for a few questions about my needs. And when he found out that I was desperately trying to lose weight, he brought me a pair of shoes that was focused on helping me get there. In his conversation with me, he focused on helping me understand how these shoes could help me lose weight. What were best ways that I could use these shoes for losing weight? And as a result, I ended up buying that pair of shoes. Here are a few ideas that you can use when you are thinking about how you can position your brand to solving a pain. Number one, you need to ask yourself, what are major problems that your solution or product solves? Understand that, and that's a great start. Number two, stop. And I mean stop overselling. You don't need to come out right away and say, I have this product that does this. A soft sell is going to work a lot better for you than pushing your product. This sell is all about the customer. It is all about how you can solve the pain points, the problems of the customer. And it should never be about you. Next, you need to identify your customer and problems that they have. Listening in person or even online is a great way to do this. If you're in a business, for example, of selling construction equipment, go online, find forums, find blogs, find out where there is conversation around construction equipment. Listen carefully to what the users are saying, the kind of questions they're asking, and generate ideas based off that. Remember, make it less about you and more about them. How can you help your customer? What are ways that you will benefit them and impact their lives? Your messaging should always revolve around your customer. Putting your buyers first, focusing on your messages, and ensuring that you speak to their problems is the way world-class brands do it. Remember, don't sell the product. Sell the solution or solve the pain. I wish you success in building your world-class brand. This is Jerome Joseph signing off.